Make a great choice today with the 2019 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $45,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, Bose sound system, power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.